Welcome back to our amazing hands-on learning project session. So we have created these two particular report tabs. Now we will be creating just one and the final tab. We will be just adding two more visuals up here, but they are really amazing custom visuals. I've already downloaded them or imported them from the marketplace. So let me show you how they work. So first one is here is data insights by MAQ software. So let me zoom this a bit. So I will be putting some values up here. Let's say operating system, browsers, um, sessions, and new users. All right. So suppose I want to view my this particular visual as column. This by browser and this by new users. So now what this is showing, as you can see in this just one particular visual, I can see so many graphs here. So what it really doing here is this particular visual is binning my particular uh, visual on the basis of the operating system. So Android, BlackBerry, Chrome, Linux. At the x-axis I have taken all the browsers like Mozilla, Opera, UC and all that stuff, and on the y-axis I have taken how many new users are viewing my website. So this is showing that particular data, so we can really analyze all of them at once, how many of them new users. So we have also taken sessions, so at the y-axis we can also take sessions up here. So this will show how many sessions have taken place on Android, how many of them are from BlackBerry or Chrome, and we have banned them on the basis of OS. We can do them on the basis of any other categorical value. So this is an amazing uh, custom visual named data insights, where you can view them on different formats like column. We can view them as horizontal bar chart and brick chart and many more stuff. So this was the first visual. You can also change the text color here like anything you want. Let me just, I really get annoyed when I see this not set uh, here, so I'll quickly remove this thing. All right, so we are all good to go for this particular visual. Let me whoa, there it goes. So that looks good. We can all the way go scroll down to view this all. We can also change the values of x and y from here like this, just simply clicking on it. It's a great visual. The second visual which we will be using here is the R data table. So this particular visual uses R scripting. So you really need R IDE installed in your machine. So I have installed R scripting language in my particular machine. So I will be providing the link in the documentation part, or you can simply just Google the Google how to download R. You can so after downloading you have to follow certain procedures. So firstly, let me cancel this up for as for now. So firstly, viewing R visuals on Power BI needs certain steps to be followed. So first of all, let's say you have installed R on your machine. The second thing you have to do is click on File, Option and Settings, then go to Options. So now when this window pop-ups, you can see this R scripting up here. When you click on this, you have to add the uh, preferred home directory where your R is installed. So my R is installed in this particular location. So wherever your R is installed, you have to just simply browse through it and just put your home directory up here. So once it is done, you are all good to go. You can also click here on how to install R. So this will take you to the location where you can download R. So this was our only thing required for the in the beginning to work with our visuals up here. So I am all good to go. Now I have to do is click on R scripting visual. Any R scripting visual needs to be, it will ask you if you wanna enable this particular script visual or if you trust it. So I'll simply click on enable. There you go. So this is particular is a data table. So I will add here like let's see what we can do here is, let's say we add page views and pages. So now you can see here this is loading the data. So let me tell you one more important thing. When this particular visual needs some of the R libraries needs to be installed for this. So any R visual which you will be installed requires some kind of libraries which needs to be installed. So when you click on this particular R visual for the first time, it will a window will be pop up and it will ask you if you wanna install any of these particular libraries. So all you have to do is just click on install. In my computer these libraries are already installed, so it didn't ask me this time, but for when you will be doing this for the first time, it will ask you. So now you can see we are all good to go. Let me just put it up here. So now you can see a great what this particular thing is showing here is the pages and unique page views. All right, so we can add up here 5, 20, 100. So this particular here is showing the number of pages I have, and this is showing the unique page views. So let me sort this by unique page views. So I have to simply click on this. There you go. There. So now it is showing that this particular my blog page is having the most number of unique page views. I just want to see 5 in the beginning, 5 or 10. So this have particular pagination option up here as well, so you can click on them. It can show just 5, 10 or as many entries as you want. Or also if you want to search a particular page, like I want to search about law of attraction, so you can see all the law of attraction blogs which I have published and how many unique page views they are having. So this particular R data table is a great custom visual which you can use to filter the data and also to see them in a great reporting format. All right, so this is all about visuals and the charts which we have created in our report. In the next particular session we will be filling up this blank space up here and finalizing our report. Just to let you know, we will not be doing the formatting of stuff here. I will be showing you the final report, how it looks like when it is formatted, but just to save time I will be just doing the main important part which you really need to learn. All right, so we'll continue in the next session, and till then keep on learning. Thank you.